This is Teacher Janelle, and I invite you to come learn with me. This is a reading and writing practice designed for parents who wished to help their child begin to read and write. Welcome to Month 1, Week 1. Getting started with sounds and simple words. Day 6, Story Time, The Lost Hat. Dear parent, let your child listen carefully to the story and remind them to try to understand what it's about. Now, get ready to listen to the story, The Lost Hat. The Lost Hat. One day, Sam went to the park. She had a red hat on her head. Sam ran, slid, and played with her dog Max. Then, oh no! The wind blew the hat away. Sam ran fast. Max ran too. The hat went under a big tree. Max got the hat with his nose. Good dog, Max, said Sam. Sam put the hat back on and smiled. Let's check for understanding. Dear parent, after reading a story, ask your child to answer the questions out loud. This helps them share what they understood in their own words. After that, have your child read the answer. Don't worry about mistakes, just let them follow along and enjoy learning. Who lost the hat? What color was the hat? Who helped Sam get the hat? Where did the hat go? Great work today, kids! Keep practicing these sentences or eventually read the story on your own. See you tomorrow for day 7. We'll have new words to read and write together. Teacher Janelle here. That's all for now.